Let's create our, okay, let's have a look how it looks like. Now it's time to create our testimonial section here. So I just increase the browser size. Let's make it 75%, and we were working here, right? So if you just take a look at here, the design, this is the section that we are gonna create. Let's create a take column. This one, and add. Okay, so when you are facing this kind of unwanted issue, just reload that editor and start again. As you can see, it's full width, right? So what we can do, instead using full width, we can simply take a group here, and inside group take this column, and then select the column and make it 1200 pixel wide. And after that, just take a look at the design and start creating your design here. H2, so paste here, copy the text here, view all, and button, view all testimonial, MONILs, testimonials. So when I select group, add some padding top and bottom. I think this looks perfect. And here I'd like to take one row. This here is one row and here is another row. So inside this column, let's take a row, add image. So you can add random image now. Let's add some random image. So happy face. Let's select this one and change the image border radius to 10 because it has some little bit border radius. 15 is enough. And change the width, add some more here. Let's this one. This is not happy face. It's okay to use something different. Let's copy styles and paste here to apply the border radius. Change its, let's take a look at the design. So this is little bit smaller, then bigger, smaller, more, bigger, smaller, and change the alignment to the top. Smaller, bigger, and take a little bit smaller again. Paste the style that I have copied previously, make it small, and take again from media library, take another image, scroll down, you can see a lot of images. So just for, you can use any of them. Let's use it. I'm looking something different, smiley face. Let's use this one. Okay, but it requires a little bit higher, which is a little bit tall. From media library, let's type here portrait, hit enter, and choose this one. That's classy. And paste here. Change the width of the image. Click on update and reload the page. It looks better now. Well, okay, so let's add some more. Reduce a little bit and duplicate this row here, and take a look at here. There is only 2 images. This one is really small and it's a little bit bigger. What I can do, I can simply remove those image, and this one is removed, and make it center. Change this image to something wider. Let's see this one. Okay, it's not looking so good. And open here again and type here and search. Okay, I can see Pixabay portrait. And then select from here. So I'm just looking something a wider angle image. Let's choose this one. And click select. So it looks like this, and still I'm not happy with the result here. Let's change the aspect ratio. 3:4, classic, portrait, standard. But the image, I should have changed its position. So it just converted to cover. Let's use this one and use this image as of now. So that's all. So it's all about resizing and using different sizes of images, but I'm okay with the result now, and it looks like this. If I click on update and reload the page, take a look at the design here, which is happy face. This image is a little bit smaller. Change its position here. Let's change this image position and make it smaller. Well, I think that's okay, and I'm happy here with the result. That's great. And make it smaller so that it looks more perfect. So we have completed our website here. There is some background element, and unfortunately using block editor you cannot use such element here, and you have to stay with this design. But we can use a horizontal line here instead of using any background element or border top. So I'm selecting the group here, select the design and border, unlink here, just add 1 pixel border at the top. That will make the difference between the section. That's great. That's all, and we have completed the home page. In our next part, The most important pages like a single page and single post page, archive page, I'll be working on them, even though I will try my best to include product and insert shop features inside this playlist. Thank you so much.